Madman O'Neill. This guy's trying to do a freestyle rap, but I'm just chilling here. I got no fear. My boy's about to varial flip this 4-step here. Alright, well, we're gonna go meet up with O'Neill. He wants to varial flip the 4-stair over at Vancouver Community College. Cruise on down on the little bomber board. Bomb this hill to get there. It's a pretty good one. That's a pretty good hill. Basically gets me where we gotta go. There's O'Neill. Just inside, baby. I felt that too. It's great. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. And guess what? The teamwork does the dream work. Jesus Christ, there's something wrong with me. Yeah. For Corey, for the homies. This one's for you, Paul. This one's for you, Paul. Oh God, I miss you guys. I can't wait to hit this spot again. Arm is almost better, folks. He ain't messing around today. We are in God's hands. He was in God's hands. God's hands. He's gonna land at this one because God has faith. He sees the landing, he sees the rollaway, he sees the tree. He sees the vision. He envisioned it. He's gonna master his skills, he's gonna master his dreams. Coming up. Yeah. so close. Feel the energy. Oh! Okay, let's land this. This is it. Fuck! Wow! He's a savage. He's just a savage. The determination of skateboarders. So close. Bro. God damn.
Yeah.
What are you thinking, another day?
I'm thinking that, yeah, I might need another day to work up.